In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to timestamp cells in Google Sheets. This is a handy feature that can help you keep track of when data was entered, making your spreadsheets more informative and efficient. Let's dive in and explore how to set this up. First, we'll start by opening a Google Sheet. You can either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you'd like to add timestamps. Once you have your Google Sheet open, navigate your cursor to cell B2. This is where we will input our formula. In cell B2, type the following formula: $IF, open parenthesis, A2 equals empty quotation marks, comma, IF, open parenthesis, B2 equals 0, comma, now, open and close parentheses, comma, B, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. This formula may look a bit complex at first glance, but let's break it down. Essentially, it checks whether cell A2 is empty. If it's not, the formula looks at cell B2. If B2 is 0, which means it hasn't been filled yet, the formula generates the current timestamp using the now function. If B2 already has content, the timestamp remains unchanged, preserving the original entry date. After typing out that formula, go ahead and hit the Enter key. This will activate the formula in cell B2. Next, click once more on cell B2. This might seem redundant, but it's crucial to ensure B2 is the active cell for the upcoming steps. Following that, move your attention to the top menu bar and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you need to select Settings. This will open a new window with several options related to spreadsheet settings. Within the Settings window, you'll find a tab called Calculation. Click on it to open the calculation options. Under these options, look for Iterative Calculation. By default, this might be off. We need to change it by selecting On. This enables the formula to recalculate itself under specified conditions, crucial for our timestamping setup. After turning on Iterative Calculations, directly below it, there's a setting for max number of iterations. Type in the number 1 here. This tells Google Sheets to stop calculating after one iteration, preventing the now function from continuously updating. Finally, click on Save Settings to apply these changes. This step confirms all the modifications we made, allowing the timestamp feature to function correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Google Sheet to timestamp cells. This can be incredibly helpful for tracking data entry and organizing information effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your Google Sheets experience.